This might be the cause of your plants appearing weaker than normal. Deanolis albizonalis is often linked to this kind of issue. Among the obvious indications are black indentations appear on pea-sized or lemon-sized fruits, which are frequently encircled by a discolored spherical area close to the stem. The larvae consume the fruit flesh, and when the fruit gets bigger than a lemon, sap seeps out of the indentations. The larvae's digging behavior may cause the fruit to break. After that, the larvae move to different fruits. The larvae have a black head and neck, and their bodies are ringed in red and white. The larvae become green as they develop. They eat the fruit flesh first, followed by the seeds. They cause premature fruit drop, especially in young fruit. Hundreds of young fruits may be found on the ground under heavily infested plants. When circumstances like these arise, it may develop. The wingspan of an adult moth is around 13 millimeters, and they are pale gray in color. They deposit their eggs in pairs near the base of the fruit stem and survive for around a week. After hatching, the eggs become larvae that pierce the fruit to consume the seeds and flesh. The larvae pupate in 1 to 2 centimeters deep holes in the bark, where they are difficult to observe since they are covered in eaten seeds. 10 to 14 days after hatching, the larvae reach maturity. At night, they eat. Adult moths have the ability to fly to various orchards, and this pest is disseminated by the movement of contaminated produce. Many gardeners begin with organic remedies such as the mango seed-boring caterpillar D. albizonalis can be controlled using azadirachtin, an extract of neem tree bark, on a weekly cycle that begins when the mango tree blossoms and lasts for 2 months. Maintain the population of the mango seed border's natural enemies, such as the yellow wasp Prichogramma chilonis and the red-eyed wasp Prichogramma chilonis, and the red-eyed wasp Prichogramma chilotree, which parasitize the mango seed borer eggs, and the wasp Prichogramma itrissimum, which feeds on larvae. Stronger therapies might include the following if the problem gets worse. Always take into account a combination of biological control and preventive actions. To successfully control this seed borer, apply pesticides containing thiacloprid. Other active components and insecticides may also work. To prevent such issues in the future, select clean, recognized sources of approved planting supplies. Check the orchard frequently, particularly during fruiting, for pests and strange symptoms. Destroy the afflicted tree bark and contaminated fruit. Moth infestations in neighboring orchards can be avoided by using plants as windbreaks. Fruit that is infested should not be moved to other orchards or locations. To put it briefly, immature fruit has black holes. Fruit may break and fall too soon. Moths are gray in adulthood. Watch this space for more useful plant maintenance tips.